Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the watch down and removing the strap. This prevents tension on lugs and gives room to work. Once done, place the watch on an anti-static mat and use a loop to inspect the caseback screws. You'll remove screws in a consistent order and photograph each step so you can reverse it. Make sure to note crown position and any resistance. That tells you if winding components are preloaded or seized, which guides your next moves. With the case open, isolate the source by listening close. Use a stethoscope or plastic tube to amplify specific areas. Once identified, examine the rotor bearings, mainspring barrel, and gear train for grit or loose screws. You'll remove the rotor or winding bridge first to get access, then carefully clean with pegwood and a soft brush. Make sure to use only tiny drops of ISO-grade oil on pivots. Overoiling creates drag and new noise, so work deliberately and retest after each change. Reassembly requires patience. Reinstall components in the reverse order and torque screws evenly to avoid warping bridges. Once sealed, test amplitude and beat error on a timing machine and regulate the balance as necessary. This corrects noise-related timing shifts. If you still hear noise, reopen and isolate the suspect component, retry cleaning, or replace the part. Rotor bearings and winding stems are common offenders. One key troubleshooting tip: when unsure, work in small steps and test after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.